And there we see the Trump children, Don Jr., Ivanka, Eric and Tiffany. Followed by, I think Barron's behind them. Yeah, I think Barron was behind them as well. I spoke with Don Jr. earlier this morning. Big smile on Ivanka's face. He conceded that his father was a bit nervous coming in to this day. Who wouldn't be? They are radiant right now, looking out across the crowd. David Muir, those kids played a key part in this campaign.
A huge part. This became the family business during this campaign. And if you remember that seminal moment, it was during Martha's debate when both the then candidates were asked, what do they respect about one another? That was perhaps the only redeeming moment of the campaign. Donald Trump said Hillary Clinton never gives up. But Hillary Clinton said about Donald Trump, look at his children. Look at how he's raised his children, the successes that they've turned out to be. Ivanka telling us last night that she wouldn't say whether she'll have an official office in that White House. And Don Jr., we asked, are you envious that Ivanka's the one going to Washington, that she'll be the one dealing with policy, or at least influencing her dad a little more on policy? And he said, yeah, there is envy, but my focus will be Trump Tower. That's the most important residence for me in the next 4 years.
He is going to be running the business along with his brother, Eric.